In front of me is Motorola Moto G100, and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select System, and then click on Languages and Input. Go to Languages then, and click on Add a Language. Pick the one that you would like to apply, choose the region if available, slide it up to the first place, and here it is. As you can see, from now on, your system language has been changed. Whenever you'd like to change it again, just perform the same action, and if you'd like to remove some of listed languages, tap on More, select Remove, mark the one that you would like to get rid of, and click on bin icon to delete it. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.